One of the greatest takeaways from the UMBC social work mentorship is the skills that I build. I'm able to use everything I learned from my internship from Miss Rebecca to kind of guide how I'm going about in my classroom. Whenever a professor has an example, I always try to give one and see if that fits into what she's asking. And I try to use my experiences here to guide the class.
What inspired me to become a mentor was definitely Ivan. Ever since he got here, he has been super helpful. He has done so much for the center. It's been great. Identity is a nonprofit organization that works with Black and Brown students, as well as students that have just recently arrived to the country. So we make sure we give them case management, we give them support with the Wellness Center by doing check-ins with them.
It definitely has helped me understand more of the practice aspect behind social work, especially with groups. Seeing the groups and seeing how Ms. Rebecca handles the groups and how she goes about maintaining each group individually. She's taught me a lot about not just social work, but how to go about my internship as a whole. And she's given me a tremendous amount of support, and I've learned so much from her, and I really do appreciate everything she's done for me.